Once I had a darling mother, but I can't recall her name. I had a baby brother who I'll never see again. The orphan's home is taking us, putting us on the orphan train, trying to find someone to take us in. Take us in. We have rode the orphan train. Take us in. We need a home. We need a name. Take us in. Oh, won't you be our king? We are looking for someone to take us in. I have stolen from the poor box of big city streets. I swallowed the bars and pool rooms for a little bite to eat. In my daddy's old green jacket, and these rags upon my feet, we're looking for someone to take us in. Take us in. We have rode the orphan train. Take us in. We need a home. We need a name. Take us in. Oh, won't you be our king? We are looking for someone to take us in. The children's home, they gathered us, me and all the rest. They taught us to sit quietly until the food was blessed. Then they put us on the orphan train, sent us way out west, trying to find someone to take us in. Take us in. We have rode the orphan train. Take us in. We need a home. We need a name. Take us in. Oh, won't you be our king? We are looking for someone to take us in. Okay, Steve. Take us in. We have rode the orphan train. Take us in. We need a home. We need a name. Take us in. Oh, won't you be our king? We are looking for someone to take us in. The farmers and their families, they came from miles around. They put us on a platform at the station in each town.